Like it depends, like ज़्यादा engagement है मतलब I'm influencing more people are following me, it's growing. So उस तरीके से तुम कह सकते हो कि हाँ, my internet's unstable, it says. Hey guys, my name is Aaron.
What do you guys do?
ये क्वेश्चन ना थोड़ा सा लाइक डाइसी है. कंटेंट क्रिएटर, एक्टर,
क्या बोले? मतलब
same here actually. I'm always nervous in interviews because I have no idea what like those about me and how I got their questions, like how to answer them. But anyway, we try.
Let's start. Okay, so hi guys, this is Miss Bahupna and we have Aaron today with us. Aaron Call. Aaron is a content creator with Men's XP and IDEVA. So basically, Aaron, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much. I'm so excited.
Aaron, who is a content creator? मतलब content creator होता कौन है और exactly वो काम क्या करता है?
हाँ, ये तो बहुत ही बहुत वास्ट सवाल है छोटे से उसमें, क्योंकि like honestly to be fair, a content creator is like what a content creator does is in its name, a person who creates content. Now, content is anything that can be consumed by a potential consumer, right? And when I say consumer, not necessarily like in a part of the economy, like economic consumption, but in terms of like entertainment, health, wealth, care, advice, reviews, and all those things. So any sort of like creative activity, and it's restricted to the internet world, because in the real world, I am either like, if I have to tell someone and I say I'm a content creator, they exactly ask what it is, and it's like, yeah, I write. There's direction involved, there's acting involved, there's marketing involved, because in the sense you as a person are like a whole team. Obviously you do have a team, but it's just like I think it's that only. Like any sort of productivity that you can put on the internet is, and you enjoy and you want to take it up as a career, putting up activity, a production, like some productivity that you do, some sort of thing that other people can enjoy, is what a content creator is. It's very different from an influencer though.
तो मेरा नेक्स्ट सवाल था, ठीक है, तो एरन, व्हाट्स ओके, मैं ना थोड़ा सा ब्रीफ देती हूँ. बेसिकली वी आर वर्किंग ऑन दिस इनिशिएटिव कॉल्ड नथिंग टू समथिंग, एंड हम क्या कर रहे हैं, तो यू नो हाउ इट इज़ इन इंडिया, सिर्फ 3-4 करियर्स की बात होती है कि इंजीनियर बन जाओ, डॉक्टर बन जाओ, लॉयर बन जाओ, सीए बन जाओ, और इन स्ट्रीमलाइन करियर्स के अलावा हमारी सोसाइटी बात नहीं करती है. तो हमारी जनरेशन को पता ही नहीं होता है कि यार इसके अलावा भी करियर्स है. जब हम वी आर बैक इन स्कूल, जब हम कॉलेज डिसाइड कर रहे होते हैं, डिग्री डिसाइड कर रहे होते हैं, बट देयर आर 300+ करियर्स इन इंडिया जो कि उतने रिवॉर्डिंग और सेटिस्फैक्टरी हैं जितने कि हमें इफ़ यू वुड हैव बिकम एन इंजीनियर और डॉक्टर और लॉयर. सो व्हाट्स योर जर्नी? क्योंकि एज अ कंटेंट क्रिएटर यार, आई एम श्योर कि आपने पहले से तो नहीं सोचा होगा मैं कंटेंट क्रिएटर बनूंगा. हाउ डिड दिस हैपन टू यू?
Me personally, Santu messaged me on Instagram saying if I wanted a job at IDEVA, because I was already, I already had a background in films and advertisement, because I was working in Bombay as an AD and stuff, and that's my education as well. But then I used to randomly post. I was active on social media. BBM पे भी था मैं, Orkut पे भी था मैं, Hi5 पे भी था मैं, और मैं MySpace पे भी था. सोचो, MySpace सुना है कभी? सुना है पक्का? नहीं सुना ना? Exactly. So I was on MySpace also, and so social media पे I was always like active. Like, so in the sense, जैसे होता है ना, पहले you're starting with your apprehensive of posting some personal things, personal होते रहता है, but then you can keep going. So मेरा जब तक मैं Instagram पे आया ना, तब तक I was very open and very unabashedly myself on Instagram, even with my jokes or my ऐसी random videos that I used to post about funny things and stuff. So Santu saw a few of them and thought I could be great for the content creation space when Kusha and Dolly were at IDEVA, and Santu, Kusha, Dolly and Santu were at IDEVA. They had just started doing this thing, and उनका South Delhi aunties भी तब तक बन चुका था. So I came into that space and I started learning about that space. So it was like a understanding for me. It like you said, it wasn't really आके मैंने सोचा था मैं content में आऊँगा. But that time also I wasn't doing content. I was still producing for IDEVA. I was still in the space where I was editing, getting the videos edited, getting the magazine, like the digital covers edited. उसपे भी देख, like, you know, stuff like that, getting like finances sorted. But eventually, I mean, I think it totally depends how you are. Maybe I think my ticket to my ticket, I mean, it's not really that I've made it or anything like that, but let's say my way into this field was that I was very much myself.
ठीक है.
My next question is,
Aaron, how is it basically working with these digital media companies? So Scoop Whoop हो गया या Men's XP हो गया या BuzzFeed हो गया, ये सब हमें ना बाहर से बहुत कूल लगती हैं कि यार यहाँ पे जॉब कर ली तो सब सेट है, बहुत कूल है, हीरो हीरोइन से मिलने को मिलता है, बाहर शूट करने को मिलता है, कंटेंट बनाना है. How actually it is, मतलब अंदर की insights तो हमें नहीं पता, बाहर से तो सब cool लग रहा है, तो how actually it is working?
Gossip करना है मेरे को क्या है यहाँ पे? मजाक कर रहा हूँ, नहीं मैं बता तो देता हूँ. देखो, luckily I have nothing to gossip about because and I can't speak for other companies at all about BuzzFeed, Scoop Whoop and all those other ones. I wasn't very much aware of the space before I joined also, but even now I really don't know how the insides work. I mean, I know of Shrishti, I've met Nirali once, and they're all absolutely gorgeous, great people. In my company, it's absolutely amazing because honestly, I'm not even kidding. Like, I don't even like care how the videos are coming out. I do care, but in the sense that even if, like, you know, the scripts are not nice, like, you know, according to other people, like when we approve, we like it. When it comes out, it ends up being something else, and if people don't like it, we don't go like shit, ये तो बड़ा घटिया बनाया. We're like कि नहीं चल, let's, you know, we'll make something else. And everyone is, it almost feels like it's not like everyone's the same age, but it feels like everyone's the same age in the idea concept, because everyone's on the same page all the time. And it's a great feeling to work for Men's XP and IDEVA. I was working with IDEVA first, and that's a absolutely different kind of space. It's like more for the women. Like, not being sexist, it's actually like it's marketed towards women. It's like female content, like it's so hard to say, like it's female content, like, you know, South Delhi aunties, mummies, teachers, women issues and stuff like that. And Men's XP is more like whatever. And Men's XP is more whatever. It's not like male centric. It's just like whatever content okay. And here it was more about like producing their content, all like stuff like that. It was great. And for Men's XP also, we have like this group of people. Like Vishnu also is like a part of our team. Ankush was also there. And so it's like real fun to just sit around and discuss. And everything's really open, yeah. Like Men's XP was fairly new, like not really, but in terms of when we picked up, it was fairly new. So it was nice to see the whole process. I've just been there for like 2 years now, but it's like really close. Because वो crux थे 2 years बहुत.
And you guys are like family na, Kusha, Dolly, you, Ankush, Vishnu.
You know, everyone on the internet is.
हमें तो ऐसे.
Everyone on the internet is. I promise you, the moment, you know, if you're not making content, if you start doing it, some random day Kusha will share your video, right? Dolly will share your video. Some other person who creates and knows what goes into making a video, they'll share your video, you message them, thank you, oh my god, this and that. And you'll just see how pally you guys get. Like, you'll you'll think that they are out of reach or something like that. Can you reply nahi karenge? And it's nothing like that. You know, when you get to that, you know, family space, you'll realize that these people are just family on the internet also. They just give you advice, they like boost your morale randomly, they like praise you in your DMs, like saying randomly your video was fucking awesome. They go around doing that. So it's like it's already a family. You just have to like feel so about it.
इन्फ्लुएंसर या फिर कंटेंट क्रिएशन, दिस इज समथिंग बहुत न्यू इमर्जिंग करियर निकल के आया है अभी. सो अभी हम लोगों को, बहुत सारे लोगों को है कि भाई इस फील्ड में जाना है. सो हाउ डज वन एक्चुअली गेट इनटू इट? हाउ डज वन एक्चुअली गेट अ जॉब एट सच प्लेसेस?
इसका क्या सीन है?
According to you, where am I working from? Like, where am I making videos from?
From your home.
You don't have to go anywhere to get a job in this. The job itself is like a freelancing job until you want to associate yourself with the company. Like I said, my journey is different. I associated myself with the company after a year and then started doing content. But usually what happens is people make their content and they create an audience for themselves. The thing is, you just have to do it. That's it.
Okay.
You just have to be making every day. See, like, my growth progress is really slow, right? And it's just because I don't post every day, or I don't create like a niche with my characters or my ideas. Let's say I don't create like a review show where people have like a comeback quality to come back every day and watch it, every other day and watch it or remember. So I'm just saying that these are business strategies that people use in their businesses. So this is also, you have to kind of work. It's not like somebody will come and tell you that ये करना है, ऐसे वीडियो बनाओ, ये funny लगेगा लोगों को. You have to figure it out and do it yourself because it's already a very giving job.
क्वेश्चन है, but do you think कि content creation या influencer is a good career? मतलब if I ask you कि भाई 10 में से how would you rate it? तो मतलब सब कुछ, see the money aspect, see the happiness aspect, see the working timing aspects, ये सब देख के how would you rate this career?
If you're a lazy person, then a 5. And if you're generally a hardworking person, you enjoy working towards things, then a 10, a solid 10. Not kidding. Like, the growth is like this, the money is like this, the process is like, you can figure out the process quickly. Like, if you figure out your market, then you just know how to work around it. You don't have to like, क्या बनाऊं. But if you're a lazy person, then एक वीडियो कभी चलेगी तो फिर चल गई तो ठीक है, फिर तुम रोते रहोगे, क्या करूं, मेरे ऑडियंस जा रही है, मेरा वो हो रहा है, मेरे को कोई देख नहीं रहा, शिट, मैं अगले दिन क्या करूं, I don't have a real job. That's when all this stuff comes in. I don't have a real job, bro. But as long as you're working, that's a real job. Even in like general jobs also, पहले तुम्हें बोलते हैं 3 महीने 6 महीने इंटर्नशिप करो फिर होता है. इसमें भी something like this. And इसमें तो जल्दी you make videos for a month consistently. Consistently you do it. Every day post a video and post 6 stories, about anything, and post a video. I guarantee you'll see like a 50% increase in your followers and every sort of way, followers, likes, shares, whatever it is. It instantly grows.
Okay. आपने एरन बोला कि if somebody wants to enter this field, तो वो घर पे भी बैठ के ये चीज़ कर सकता है, कैमरा उठाओ and start shooting. But after a time, money, पैसे वाला factor तो आ ही जाता है. How does content creator?
Through brands, that's it. Like on Instagram at least. Sorry, it's just through brands. So if a brand says, hey Aaron, we like your content, here we'll give you 10,000 rupees to make a 1-minute video, and as a collaboration with us, like let's say a collaboration with Pepsi, let's say that, hey, you have to make a funny video about drinking Pepsi and having fun with it because our new campaign says Pepsi chahe more, something like that. So I crack a joke about I as a, if I have characters as a father and a mother, then I create a scene where I say as a father, dil chahe machaye mo or something, and then whatever they pay me money for that video as a collaboration. That's how it works.
How does a content creator handle hatred? मतलब मेरे को ना किसी ने बोला आपसे पूछने. ठीक है, एरन अभी as I said कि ये emerging career है, बहुत सारे students, स्कूल के बच्चे और बहुत सारे कॉलेज के बच्चे are trying into this career. तो what is that one tip or advice you will give to them?
In this order, believe in yourself. Really, there is nothing that you can't, like, there is nothing that, मैं वही बोला है कि बाहर doesn't matter where you are, who you are, what you're doing, it doesn't matter. Believe in yourself, do your research and work hard every day. And when I say work hard, I mean like 2 घंटे निकाल के अच्छे से just work on the thing that you're doing. Like your career, as long as whatever it is, if you're playing the guitar, you're an artist or whatever it is, these 3 things, believe in yourself, do your research, because it's really important to do your research. You cannot, like, you know, a dancer cannot innovate anything in dance if she doesn't know the dance itself. Like, you know, if she's doing like Bharatanatyam, she can't add to Bharatanatyam unless she knows what all Bharatanatyam has. Right? So if you're going out to make like a horror film, you need to do a little bit of research. क्या हुआ है, लोग कैसे करते हैं, what people like to see, what scares them, enjoy, and like, you know, do your research. मजा आएगा, and then you work hard on it. कि हाँ मैं भी बनाता हूँ. That's an advice I would like to give. And it really works, and you have to do nothing else. You have to do nothing else. And fun भी अपने आप, the moment you do these 3 things, फन अपने आप आता है, पैसा अपने आप आता है, सक्सेस अपने आप आता है. यू डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट एनीथिंग रियली. एंड अगर सक्सेस नहीं आता तो अंडरस्टैंडिंग आ जाती है कि सक्सेस क्यों नहीं आया.
So that 3 things are research करो और hard work करो और
believe in yourself. Number 1, you have to believe in yourself, then you have to do your research, and then you have to work hard every day. Because वो हैबिट बन जाएगी and it'll be a great habit. क्योंकि after a certain point, after school and college is over, there's nothing to look forward to except life itself. You know? क्योंकि उसमें स्कूल में लगता है कि चल अभी नहीं है तो ठीक है, कॉलेज में कर लूंगा, कॉलेज नहीं है ठीक है अभी नहीं तो जॉब कर लूंगा. फिर जब जॉब पे आ जाती हो, you're there and you wish that you had something to do every day. And if this is something you enjoy doing, then it'll be really fun.
आप जो कंटेंट डालते हो दैट इज मतलब बहुत डिफरेंट है, फनी वे में बहुत डिफरेंट है एज कम्पेयर टू जो अदर डालते हैं. तो हाउ डू यू कम अप विद द आइडियाज?
Do you actually say that to everyone, or are you saying that to me?
नहीं, I'm saying it to you.
Are you sure? पक्का, क्योंकि उसी के हिसाब से जवाब दूंगा मैं.
नहीं, आई एम सेइंग इट टू यू क्योंकि आपका जो मच्छर वाला था ना एंड जो अभी आप, सो यू क्रिएट वेरी डिफरेंट सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग. इट्स नॉट कि बहुत नॉर्मल फनी वाला आप बना रहे हो, कुछ अलग ही वेयर्डली फनी वाला स्टफ आप बनाते हो. सो हाउ डू यू कम अप विद दीज थिंग्स? क्योंकि कंटेंट क्रिएटर का यार सबसे बेसिक क्वेश्चन होता है आइडिया कहाँ से लाएं. और
I think मेरा while I was growing up, I used to watch a lot of cartoons, and not just like cartoon, like
Okay.
Pardon me, like I'm definitely sure you're definitely younger than I am. Since you did not know what High Five was, then I know. Then इससे पहले भी ना they used to come. See, so you know Cartoon Network पे पहले बहुत different cartoons आते थे. Nick, and they used to be like the Amanda Show, Keenan and Kel, and really, have you seen Cat Dog, the show? No, right? It was a show about a cat and a dog that were attached from the back, right? And their life. So they like weird stuff was happening at that time. Courage the Cowardly Dog was really popular and stuff like that. So I think my whole ideation of what comedy looks like is very, I wouldn't say like hyper, but it's like saturated. Like if I'm doing sarcasm, then it's like really sarcastic and it's like really portrayed to be sarcastic so that the message comes through, as I feel so.
What is मतलब सबना एक अपनी एक चीज से स्टैंड बाय करते हैं लाइफ में, उन्हें उससे मोटिवेशन मिलती है, इंस्पिरेशन मिलती है. सो व्हाट इज दैट वन थिंग दैट इंस्पायर्स यू, आपको वो कीप गोइंग वाली चीज?
The understanding that nothing is permanent. There's a Buddhist statement. I don't want to say it because I might be saying it incorrect, but it's like, but Buddha said, Shanikam Shanikam Sarvam Shanikam Anityam Anityam Sarvam Anityam, which means like Shanikam is like momentary, everything is momentary, temporary, everything is temporary. And I've kind of understood it in a very nice way, a way that it like, you know, that thing like completely fit with my ideology really well. No, it's not my personal ideology, it's like, you know, the idea of yourself that you make up. So that keeps me going, because if something good happens, I don't get like I don't take pride in it, because I'm like, this happened, great, it's not permanent, like eventually there's, and it's not a nihilistic view, it's just like, if it's good, I'm really happy about it. But when something bad happens, I'm also like, yeah, this is also temporary, but how do I get rid of it? It's like, yeah, like I can't sit and cry over it कि क्यों हुआ, कैसे हुआ, कहाँ हुआ, किसने किया. It's just like, now it's happened, so what do I do to fix it? And let's just fix it and move on, like let's just go forward and stuff like that. Yeah.
Anything that you want to add to the video?
Nothing at all, man. Guys, you should just chill out and not be too worried what people say on the internet. Have fun, meditate, smile more, and just make the world a better place, I guess. As much as you can, from what's left of it. But yeah. कैसे एकदम से ऊपर ऐसे पॉजिटिव करके ऑफ व्हाट्स लेफ्ट ऑफ इट करके जा रहा हूँ.
ठीक है, so we will wrap this up. Signing this off, this is Miss Bahugna with Aaron. Say bye.
See you, bye bye guys. Thanks Ritu. Bye bye.
So that was a great fun, and we will meet soon with another profession expert from another field. Till then, yeah, keep rocking, keep shining, keep